boys and girls. I wanted to jump on real quick because a lot of us were having a hard time manipulating and working with shapes. So I wanted to give you a really quick resource. Here is a class link page. And so we already have this app right here called Math Manipulatives. So we're going to start to work with Math Manipulatives. You can go ahead and play around with it before we do start using it. But I wanted to show you how to get what we need from it. So I'm going to click on Math Manipulatives app. And it's going to pop up this page. And so here on the left, you have 3 tabs. We're going to click on Select Grade. We're first grade. And then skip backgrounds and go down to Manipulatives. And we're going to look for pattern blocks, which is right here, pattern blocks. And click on it. And here we have the shapes that we have been working with. So we have a square, a triangle, a rhombus, a hexagon, trapezoid, and a different type of rhombus. So we were talking about composite shapes. So composite shapes are 2 shapes that are put together that make a different shape. So here I could make my rectangle with 2 squares. I do not need a rectangular shape pattern block because I could just put 2 squares together. Same with the trapezoid. I can make a different shape with it. If I click on the shape and I play with the circle, click on the circle and turn it over, I could put 2 trapezoids together to make a hexagon. So you can use this app and play with the pattern blocks, try to make composite shapes, try to make different type of patterns with it, pictures, go ahead and play with your shapes. But I really want you to also use your vocabulary. So make sure you're saying out loud, okay, 2 squares can make a rectangle, or 2 trapezoids can make a hexagon. A lot of us are having troubles remembering the names of the shape, and that's because we're not in the classroom constantly repeating it, and that's fine. Another strategy you can use is making a card, a flashcard. So on one side, a parent or a sibling can help you draw the shape, and then on the back, write the name. So if you look at the shape, you could say, triangle, triangle, triangle. Check your work and it'll say the name of the shape for you. And so you could correct yourself, or you can see if you're right. You can also start with reading it, triangle, and say, oh, okay, a triangle is going to have 3 sides. Turn it over to the picture and count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I got it right. All right, so here are 2 cool options for you. Go ahead and play with this. We will probably use it for a type of lesson later on. So I wanted just to hop on and tell you how to use it. Okay, I will also have step-by-step directions for you. So if you need to read it while you're working on your computer, you can figure out how to log on here. Okay, hope all is well. Bye.